Today we are going to talk about the Oracle workflow access protection. So Oracle basically, preserve their workflow with the help of the access level. So just show you how do we access the workflow access level is. You just open the any workflow, then you go to that workflow definition, and you need to go to the help, and there you can see the about the Oracle Help Flow Builder. There you can see the access level is 100. So what does it mean? It is very important to understand the meaning of the access level. Okay. So now to understand the different access level given by the Oracle Corporation, we have a we have a range of the access level. So you can see here, like ranges that starts from 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 99, 100 to 999, and 1000 to public. So basically, what Oracle workflow basically assigns a protection and customization level to every workflow object definition stored into the database, and require every user of Oracle workflow to operate at a certain access level. Okay, this is what this access level basically we are talking. So when I logged in into this workflow, this is the workflow I have created, right? Through my user. And when I have created this user, like when I have downloaded this WF standard workflow, and on that I have started creating this workflow, right? So whatever the access level being provided here with for my user, I got it for this particular workflow. Now so my access level for this workflow is 100. So what does it mean? 100 means like customer organization, means any workflow which you are creating for the customer should have the access level of 100 to 999. Okay, means you can determine how you want this range to be interpreted. For example, 100 can be represented as a headquarter, while 101 can represent a regional office, and so on. Means whenever you are creating any custom workflow, then you should give the access as 100 or more than 99, like 99, like 100 onward. Means those custom workflow will not get what it is called as, whenever we are applying any patch and all, right? So it will be not get like it will be, suppose if there is a seated workflows and all, right? So those seated workflows will be as remain, and the custom workflow like Oracle, whenever they are applying the patch, it will not go away. It will be retain its identity, it will retain its contained in the database. So that is the reason it should be when we are.
So the custom workflow will be protected. That's what you said?
Yes. The meaning of saying is like whenever the Oracle will identify based on your access level that what is the access level of your workflow, and based on that it will not going to touch your workflow definition in case of any patch get applied. So they have given a different access level, like 0 to 9 identifies that it is an Oracle workflow, means something related Oracle will only going to work on that workflow, not any other user. Okay. If we have any workflow ranging with 10 to 19, then it is a AOL, means Oracle Application Object Library. So if there are a lot of lookups are there are a lot of validations are there. So any object, any workflow which has the range from 10 to 19 can be accessed with the help of AOL user, like sysadmin can able to access, or like application developer, whoever the application developer user can able to access such workflows. Or if we have ranging from 20 to 99, then Oracle application development, like whatever the modules are available, right? Like purchase order module, or receivables or HRMS modules. So those modules level Oracle workflow definitions will be ranging from 20 to 99. So if you see the requisition approval, if you see the purchase order approval, those all workflow will have the range from 20 to 99. So these all shorter workflow are, see, now when I'll talk about 0 to 9, so these are the seeded workflow. So all these till 99 all will be a seeded workflow. Okay. So
Oh,
any object which will be, there are might be some WF standard is something, should have the workflow access level 0 to 9, or something which will be some workflow which will be basically used for AOL, that will be ranging from 10 to 90, or any module based workflow like purchase order workflow or acquisition workflow or any other workflow which, or HRMS related workflows and all, will be ranging from 20 to 99. Or apart from these, so all these will be treated as a seeded workflow. Okay. And rest all will have the custom workflow, so those should range from the 100 to 999. Now it's not, you are not deciding, so based on that you can change your access level also. Okay. And after 99 there is a public workflow level, you can give more than 1000 also if you wanted to give. So anybody can able to access your workflow. Now suppose a user, suppose I have a workflow with 100. Okay. And one user has a access level of suppose 99. Then a user with access level of 100 cannot able to access a workflow which has a access level of 99. So that sort of workflow you cannot able to access. For an example, I will show you here.
okay. Can you repeat that last statement? A user with
A user who has the access, a user who has logged in into the database and have the current access level of 100 cannot able to access the workflow which has the access level of 99 or less.
Mhm.
Means
That means smaller the number is more
accessible.
accessible.
If you
Okay.
have a higher level of access, you cannot access the lower level of workflow.
Okay.
Or if you have a lower level of access, you can able to access all higher level of workflows.
So is this is it connected to the user, that level of access level number?
I'll tell you over here. Now, see, currently the workflow, standard workflow is also standard. That is why when I have created my workflow, it has given the access level of 100.
Okay.
Right. I have created the workflow with a 100 access level. That is why my workflow is also having 100. Now I'll open one more workflow. So this is a dependent workflow, right? Let's see what is the access level here.
Mhm.
Here it is also.
AOL. This is AOL, right? Yeah.
These are in,
Standard.
right, right. FlexFill. Not sure whether it is a AOL or a standard FlexFill workflow. Mm, 1 second. I'll just show you some of the items. I have few workflows available that I will just check so that you will understand how it will differ. Okay. How it get differs, that we will understand. Uh, yeah. This one. Let me check about this, whether it is there or not. This is also a custom only. Just let me see. Okay. This is the custom only.
Mhm.
But I just wanted to check the access level. Yeah, it is open actually. It is. Okay, this is also 100. Which will be, okay, what I'll do is, I'll remove this, okay? And I'm just changing this to uh, 200, but it will be still 100 only. Okay, its access level is also changed to 100 because it is a dependent one. Now let me, now I have a 200 access level, right? So
So can we set this number to anything or?
no, we can, yes, we have a access you here you can able to set your access level.
But yeah, you said patches may override or those
Yeah,
depending
that
on,
that
right?
that also I have a, I'll just show you those things. If I'll say is a 99 here. Yes. Now let's open this. Change, okay, because I have, I'm locked in with 100, and I can change now the access level. Okay, um, I can able to change this access level to anything as of now. One second, I'll just show you one more thing over here. I wanted to bring one which will have having a lower access level. So these all are having access level of 100. So I just wanted to show you one more workflow. There you can see the difference. Like it will be a red oriented object will be there, which will be a kind of a disabled. Okay, let's go through a few other steps. I'll just show you though that also. Okay, mission level. Let me open this. So if I'll talk about any notification, see now it is a red oriented disabled. Because I have my object was accessed at 100, right? Now I am opening at 99, so it got disabled.
So 99 can access anything, right?
Mm, no, that's what I told you, right? Like a user object which has an access level of 100 cannot
Mhm.
able to access any object with a lesser access level. Now it
So
earlier this
this
object,
one is 99, right?
now it becomes a 99. I
No,
changed,
this
right?
the AK not is 99.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's why you are not able to access. Okay.
See here. Now I made it as a 99.
Mhm.
Earlier it was 100. This user, this object has an access level of 100, right? Which has been logged
Correct.
in the database. Now I made it
Mhm.
as a 99. So the user
Mhm.
who has like who accessing this user at a access level of 100 can able to access all objects which are more having a more access level, but not less. I cannot make any change into this access level.
So when you customize, what is the best way to access all the objects
All
within
the
your?
object at 100, access level of 100. That's why all the seeded workflow will be, I know the thing is, like when you are accessing any workflow, you should have a lower access level to access any other workflow which has a higher access level. Means
Okay, so
object
you had to
will
see
have a,
all the dependent workflow access levels and put your number lower than those,
yes. So that is
right?
why
Okay.
most of the workflow, custom workflow should have 100 access level. So whenever you are logging with your 100 access level, it will be accessible all the object.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, if you
Yeah.
wanted to access the seeded workflow, that time you should log in with your lower access level, like 20, like that, so that the
Okay.
seeded workflow can you can able to what I can say is you can able to modify those seeded workflow or customize the seeded workflow. Okay, now so at this point of time, now it is, see, can you see this red orientation? Red oriented means it is inaccessible. This is just wanted to tell you.
Oh, red means not.
Yeah, not, you cannot able to act. 1 second.
Uh, I can't.
You can't see.
Audio is not good.
1 second. Is it fine now? Is it fine?
No, it's.
Is it
It
fine?
looks weird. I mean, uh, maybe disable and enable your audio.
My audio is enabled. Is it fine now? Let me reconnect. Okay. Hello. Is it fine now? Give me a second. Let me check it out. Okay. So,
Okay.
see, there is a lock at this access level and preserve customization. Okay. What does it mean is, as I was telling you, right? So this is the one is the access level, and another is lock at this access level and preserve customization. So what does it mean? So as I was telling, right? So access level is one thing, like only the user cannot able to access the workflow which is having the lower access level. It is at the user level. So you suppose you wanted to, send the file to any user, but you wanted to send him only the read only file. So what can you do is, you can only set the access level and less than 100, and then send it to him, so that if he opens with the, suppose this user is having the higher access level, he cannot able to modify that, right? Now, so this is the one of the way you can able to secure your access with the help of the access level. But as I was telling you about the patching and all, right? Whenever the Oracle will apply a patch, how my workflow will not get affected with the help of the patch. So one is the access level is 100. Other is we have to take the preserve customization.
Mhm.
Yeah, other is called as a preserve customization. Let me
Mhm.
show you that also. Let me make it as 100 now. See, now it gone, right? Immediately it gone. You can able to see my screen, right?
No, I can't see your screen.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Maybe
Yeah.
you're not
See,
sharing.
what I
Yeah.
did is, earlier this was 99, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you able to see now, right? See,
Yep.
see, this is the 99. This object in the database, it has been checked in 100 access level, and
Mm.
so we cannot able to access. So now we'll go here. You can see here we have each object in the navigator is having the access level. See, access is 99, and there is option called as a preserve customization and lock at this access level. These two options are available, right? So
Mhm.
now when I'll just say, now these are my custom object, right?
Uh,
Now as soon as I'll say yes, all goes gone, means I can able to access this object.
what is the AK not? What is the access level on AK not?
This one,
It was 9. Yeah.
now 100, access level is 100.
Okay. Okay.
See, this object has been checked in the database with the access level of 100, right?
Okay.
Now, when I made it less than 100, then it is inaccessible.
So it's allowing you to change
No,
in that.
now with 100 I can able to change. Now you see here, now what I'm doing is, I'm making it as a 99. See, so now it is a inaccessible. I cannot make the change.
Okay.
Access level 100. All are like, I cannot make any change in this now. It's a red oriented. Because this
Okay.
object is checked in the database with the access level of 100.
Okay.
Now, one thing, so this is access level is one thing to protect the object from customization, further customization with other user. Now, one other thing is, what if the Oracle applies the patch? Then there is something called as options are available, preserve customization and lock at this access level.
Okay.
So if you preserve customization means, it means like even the Oracle will apply a patch, it will not go away. Means it will be available in the database.
Okay.
The customization will be intact, and
It
also you
doesn't.
are
It
locking at
doesn't.
this access level 100.
So patch will not change this customization, right?
No, no. So it will be as it is. That is the meaning of this options. So just for the information I wanted to tell you, you will understand more about it when you will go further. Okay. So this is what basically talks about the protection level, protection of your custom objects. Now, other thing is, last day, yeah, there is one more theoretical only today I'll tell. There is one more thing called as a error. Like whenever we are accessing, right, like you can see here, when we are verifying, it is telling, right, like this is the error,
Mhm.
this is the error. So in that way it will show you if there is any error occurs, or it will throw you an error by saying these are the issues is available for your workflow, you need to rectify those things first. Now second thing what you can do is, you can there is a API called as a WF code you here. We have not gone through it till the functions, right? So here, suppose this is the whole workflow, right? And suppose here after approval, we suppose include one function, this function. Okay, so let me open this functions. So this is one of the functions. In this function here, we will write our package name dot procedure name.
Okay.
Next class I'm going to create one package.procedure for our purpose, where whatever the leave will be taken, that leave will get deducted from the custom table. In that case, the logic will be written into the package.procedure, right? So we are going to attach that, we are going to create one function, and that function we are going to put over here in between this to this. And in this, before reach, so after reaching here, it will call this package dot procedure, which we are going to attach over here. In that package we are going, so it will be a procedure. In that procedure we are going to raise the exception. So if in case if it get fails, or something goes wrong, then that wf4 dot context will get raised. And how do we understand where it got stuck? So definitely this function, it got failed, right? So in our status monitor I can see with the diagram that it got stuck here. Then we should be knowing, right, what is the error, why it got stuck. Then in the status monitor we will be having all the status and all. There we can find all the details, like why it got failed.
Mhm.
Okay, with a complete proper message saying that this is of the reason it got failed. And that is the
Okay.
reason, and that is where only we even if you don't, as I said, even if you don't give the wf4 dot context, still it will give you the error there itself. Did you got my point?
Yeah. Mhm.
Means, so there are two ways: either you give explicitly your wf4 dot context api to capture the error, or you don't need to give anything. You can get the error directly in the dashboard, in the status monitor screen, that what is the error, why it got stuck. So
Okay.
even, see, now if suppose I'll give an example, in that way you will understand better. Whenever we are running a piece of code, a PLSQL piece of code or anonymous block, suppose in that anonymous block, if we don't have the proper exception, then what Oracle does, it Oracle throws an error and says syntactical error. If logical error, definitely it cannot capture, but if there is any syntactical error, it throws an error, right? It throws error saying that these are the error, because of this you cannot able to compile your procedure, right?
Correct.
So
So suppose if you handle the exception in that procedure, so does it move further or it stops there?
it stops, it will get stops over here,
Mhm.
it will get stops over here. Now, so what is the next step? So you have to rectify that error, and you have to manually run this from the dashboard.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
Okay, this is the other option is available. Now let's start building that only with some theoretical. Let's see, is there any further theoretical steps is available, or so basically these are the theoretical steps only.
Mhm.
One is access level, and other is how to handle the error in the workflow. So these two are the basics understanding for the theoretical point of view. And so today, what let's start creating the function. So before creating a function, so we have to understand. Okay, before just creating the function, what I will do is, I'll create one more how to get the, see, after approval, right? After approval, how after approval we'll create one more function. We'll create one more this one, um, what it is called is leave type. Okay. Here only, one second, here only we are giving the result type as of this. Okay, approve and reject. Okay. And suppose I want the this one, suppose I want any reason for the any, suppose I want the approval to write any comment, right? Respond.
Mhm.
I want some thing to be respond. Then how do we do that? One second. uh, Function node, node. Okay, supervisor we have given, the role, detail. See here also, see, this is the wf error, is the basically this is the standard library which basically captures the error if there is any error validating this particular item at the process level. So in all the item you can see this wf error in all the items, whatever you are creating, it will be must be available. Okay, notification will go, there should be sent, no, one second. Here if I'll just go, if I'll go here, one second, there should be send. Okay, one second. Okay, got your point. There should be send somewhere. Send or respond.
Mhm.
Send or respond should be there. Okay. So with that send or respond, we can come to know which one is okay. This is fine. So we are passing this as a hard code value. So instead of casual leave, we will pass the we will, one second, let me check it out. No, this is not there. So in the notification, if I'll go details, roles, access, uh, I'm missing one thing, I think so. It should be sent, but it should be in the process only. I'm missing something actually. Okay, one second. Oh, got it. Not here. It should be here. No, this is no, not this one. Okay, here. Yes, in the lookup types. In the lookup types. So these are the attributes, right? Here it is. Yeah. See here, source is send, right? Send and respond.
Yeah. Okay. Where is this attribute used?
Yeah. I will tell you. That's what I will tell you. Now, let me create one more attribute called as a um, XX comment. Okay,
Mhm.
comment. Apply. Okay. Okay. I'm going to use this comment in the here in the message where we are doing the approve and reject, right? And
Yeah.
here I'm making it as a respond. Okay,
Mhm.
you got it right. All are sent means will be sent, but here we are receiving the respond and I'm
Okay.
applying. Okay, so see there is a little difference. Red. Okay, now
Okay.
this is a respond. Now let me launch this workflow. So where is that? Let's see how after launching this work means this is the way you can send the comment to the candidate or the requester. So one second. This is my this is our program, right? So we don't need to set any because for these initiated and attribute, right, we need to set the values. For respond we don't need to set any values, right?
Mhm.
So I'm just yeah, Gansham is the initiator and Prachita is the supervisor. Yeah, it's executed, completed. Let's check it out. So I'm just going to log in with the Prachita supervisor
Okay.
and see whether the notification has been sent or not. Yeah, I can see 8 August 2018. This has been sent. Notification has been sent. And I can see here the notification ID and I can see here. But where is the comment? Uh, Comments should be there, no? Comment box should be there.
You created attribute, but you did not use it anywhere, right? You did
No.
not just moved into the message.
Oh, yes. Correct. You are correct. You are correct. Yes. Oh, and also we have not saved into the database. Yes, we have not saved this workflow in the database. No.
Okay.
See, we have created and we have
Yeah.
not saved into the database.
So that is correct, but
We are also,
you just
yeah,
moved
yeah. We have also not used into the body.
body. Okay.
No, not here. Okay. No, no. This message we are writing. This message we are writing. Okay, we'll see. Come on.
You are saying the response, right?
Comment ampersand.
XX comment.
So we have to save this into the database, right?
Mhm.
Let me save here also. XX. Yes, and in the database also. Yeah, saved. So let me execute one more time this. Okay. Yeah, successfully created. So go to home. I'll just say approve, okay, or reject.
Okay.
This got, so I got one more message from the application. So there will be a no comment here. There will be no comment.
There is a box appearing, and
Here.
so you type in something here, and
No, I'll tell you. See, as it is a respond, as it is a respond, it will give
yeah.
you a comment box. Okay. See, that's what I should not actually write any, because whenever we are sending the mail, we are not writing. We are sending the mail, but we need a comment box as a respond, right? So here in this message, this is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. Because we are receiving it as a comment, right? So automatically it will appear for the comment.
Mhm. So it is the response from the whoever reads that mail, right? So
No, see, correct. Now, while approving and rejecting, let's see here. I'll say, please provide more details.
okay,
Provide more details. Like that, I just say. And then I'll approve, right?
okay.
So this
So
I have
how
to
is he going to provide?
yeah, I have to use this attribute in one of the notification, both the notification, either in approve or in reject notification.
Yes. Mhm.
Without, see, if I'll not use this notification in both the channel, it's not going to read it. Like it's not, we cannot able to read this. Let's see. I'll go back to Ghanshyam this time. So one is reject initiator message. Yeah, I didn't get any this one. I didn't get the comment, right?
Yeah.
Now here in this comment, what I'll do is here in this comment, like we have the comment message, no, initiator message and reject message. So here in this comment, what I'll do is I'll take this comment, okay, as a send. See here I made it as a respond. Can you see that? Here I'm making as a send.
Mhm.
And here in this body I'm using as a So the request comment, 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 and here I will write as a ampersand XX COMMENT. Okay, it's fine, no? Spelling is some correct. Now apply. Okay, 1 second. I'll take it one more thing. I'll take this also. Copy. Okay, and in reject also it should go, no? In reject also it should be works should behave the same way, no? The important thing is here the comment is a respond, but here the comment is a send.
Reject. Okay.
Let me save here first, and then we will save into the database. Got it. Now I am executing it one more time. Okay. 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 So nothing is there. Now I am executing it one more time. This time we will get the comment also. Right. Let's see here. So before that, for that I have to first go to supervisor login to approve or reject. Yeah, I got the message. Here I'm just approving. Before approving, please provide more details. I'll reject. Okay, I reject.
Okay.
So to so to approve and resubmit back. Submit it again with details. Something like that. Okay. So this time I'm rejecting with comment or approving with comment, something like that. So I'm rejecting. Done. Now I'll go back to Ghanshyam. I got a message, reject message, 8 August, and I can see here comment, please provide more details. So to approve, I resubmit it again with details. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is one of the very good features.
So hold on. Now, see, he has some attachment with the details. So how can he respond to that? Again, he has to run the workflow, or
He has to resubmit it, or he has to resubmit.
what?
He has
Submit the workflow.
yes.
But when you resubmit, how do you provide the details?
No details in the sense. See the comment, whatever he has given. See what is happening in a real scenario. Suppose I raise the request for my claims, I expense claim. Okay, like
Correct.
and I have submitted all the bills, right? And I
Mhm.
have submitted. So the workflows goes to the supervisor with the detail like leave type is a casual, amount is 500, or expense type is this, attachment is this, bill is this. Now she has undergone the details and she found little discrepancy in the details, right?
Correct.
Then what she will do, she will or he will do, he will go to the reject button, rejecting this with the note or with the comment, please
Correct.
provide this detail in a proper and resubmit back. So when I'm saying
Yeah.
resubmit back, it means, see, currently we are running it from the application, right? Anonymous block, but it will be not. It will be self, maybe some place where we are need to Click the button, submit button will be there.
Oh, again,
He has to,
within the message.
yeah, now if I
Oh,
look into this message, so suppose instead of casual leave, he should apply the personal leave. Suppose in case of that, then what he has
yeah.
to do? He has to go to the page, login page, and he has to change this as a casual, he has to change as a personal leave, and then he has to submit. Submit means what? You have to launching the workflow, no?
Oh, launching the workflow.
When you are
Okay. Mhm.
submitting a workflow means what you are doing? You are launching the workflow. Then with that,
So
whatever.
suppose that is the database data. I mean, whatever values you are taking and changing and resubmitting, that's fine.
Hmm.
Suppose he wants some attachment, something like that. Okay, hey, can you show me more details? Like,
Yeah, suppose
have
he
you,
has forgot to
like, you have
attach
issued
a
some ticket,
proof.
some attachment. Okay,
Yes, that's what your question is, that only, no? Like suppose he wanted to support the medical report
correct,
and he has not forgotten. Then that supervisor will say, I want, can you please attach the medical report?
correct.
Then I will do it. Yeah, that attachment is there, that I will show you. With the notification,
Oh,
an attachment will show. Moreover, sometime we want, whenever there is a purchase order approval is there, I'll just for an example, you are sending some document, so you should attach the document for the reference for the supervisor to approve or reject.
mhm.
So that is what.
Oh, that attachment initially goes to Oracle applications, then the workflow we should write the workflow to pick that attachment. Is that the way?
Exactly, yes. So we have to load those attachment to the server, and from the server, so I'll tell you the whole process.
Okay.
How
Mhm.
can we do that? And then from there you can see, yes, attachment will be there, and the way it, even the attachment will go to the mail, the same thing whichever will come over here in the dashboard in the notification, same thing will go for to the mail also as an attachment.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so today I'm keeping it till here. Tomorrow
Yeah.
we will see the functions.
Yeah. Can you send those recordings? I want to go through it.